This match was everything it was supposed to be and more. I heard that it was a 50-50 chance who was going to be on the winning side, and when you're ending it at 15-13 in the fifth, that's exactly what it was all about. And I'm extremely proud of these two sitting next to me, and not just what they've brought to tonight, but what they've brought to the entire year, and just really proud of our team and how we battled.
Being able to look back on all the hard work we've put in and know that we have something to pull from, and we have something that it's so much more than just one game. So, we're not going to let them just roll us over. We're going to fight for that, and we are a team of fighters, and so I think that's what we did.
We're not going to win any sets at this point of the season if we back off and we don't stay aggressive. And we always talk about if you want to be that one that hits the winning kill, you got to be the one that hits the air at the end as well. And so we kind of went back to that a little bit. A few adjustments with their outside hitters. We did a little bit more committing two of our blocks when the setter was up to the outside, and then just went one-on-one with their middle. And I thought that worked well for us for a while, and and then we had to adjust back to doing that on and off a little bit more. But I thought our kids actually did a really good job of making adjustments. There was a couple, I think, key missed assignments, but again, they're fast, and it's really hard, especially in transition, when you're not used to that, to find those hitters in transition. But we did that a lot better than I thought we would, to be honest. And it's a long season, and there's a lot of wear and tear, and so their ability to be able to show up, match in and match out, knowing that there's nobody that's going to come in for you. You're struggling, and we got to find a different way to score points. I think I'm just really proud of that.